In the midst of the ongoing India's Got Latent controversy, YouTuber Shwetabh Gangwar has opened up about his recent conversation with his close friend, comedian Samay Raina, and the revelations are heartbreaking. Shwetabh revealed that when he spoke to Samay recently, he could sense a deep change in his friend. The once vibrant and confident Samay now sounded completely broken and depressed. Shwetabh shared, "Bhai Sahab, टूटा हुआ है वो इंसान," explaining how, after the controversy erupted, Samay was struggling emotionally. "When I spoke to him last time, I saw a broken man, depressed, sad, scared," Shwetabh added. He also mentioned that Ranveer Allahabadia, Apurva Mukhija, and Ashish Chanchlani were going through tough times. This emotional toll has been overwhelming for Samay. After the controversy hit, he took a step back from social media, feeling helpless and drained by what was happening to his friend. As Shwetabh put it, "I couldn't see my friend like that." Since the controversy erupted, Samay has been in Canada, performing for his live shows. However, he has made it clear that he plans to return to India by 17th March to officially record his statement regarding the issue. In an effort to distance himself from the controversy, Samay took a bold step. He removed all episodes of India's Got Latent from his YouTube channel. In his statement, Samay mentioned that everything happening around him had become too much to handle, and his only goal was to make people laugh, not to cause harm. He assured his audience that he would fully cooperate with the authorities. During a show in Canada, Samay tried to lighten the mood, joking about the situation, saying, "Thank you for paying the lawyer's fees. It's clear that he's trying to cope with the pressure in his own way." Meanwhile, the controversy took a serious turn when the Supreme Court criticized Samay for speaking about the issue while in Canada. Justice Surya Kant expressed disapproval, saying that today's youth tends to think they know more than they actually do. With tensions rising, this story is far from over. Samay, like many others involved, is caught in a whirlwind of controversy, trying to find balance and keep his career intact. As for Shwetabh, he continues to stand by his friend, offering support during these tough times. We'll keep you updated on how this situation unfolds, but in the meantime, let's hope Samay and everyone involved can find peace amid the chaos. Stay tuned for more updates.